初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
我们去公园吧。
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
The park is very big.
The park is very big.
这个公园非常大。
The park is very big.
The park is very big.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
今天天气很好。
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
I like the sunshine.
I like the sunshine.
我喜欢阳光。
I like the sunshine.
I like the sunshine.
I like the fresh air.
I like the fresh air.
我喜欢新鲜的空气。
I like the fresh air.
I like the fresh air.
The flowers are beautiful.
The flowers are beautiful.
这些花很漂亮。
The flowers are beautiful.
The flowers are beautiful.
The trees are very tall.
The trees are very tall.
这些树非常高。
The trees are very tall.
The trees are very tall.
The grass is very green.
The grass is very green.
草地非常绿。
The grass is very green.
The grass is very green.
Let's sit on the bench.
Let's sit on the bench.
我们坐在长椅上吧。
Let's sit on the bench.
Let's sit on the bench.
Let's take a walk.
Let's take a walk.
我们去散步吧。
Let's take a walk.
Let's take a walk.
Let's go jogging.
Let's go jogging.
我们去慢跑吧。
Let's go jogging.
Let's go jogging.
Let's ride a bike.
Let's ride a bike.
我们去骑自行车吧。
Let's ride a bike.
Let's ride a bike.
Let's play ball.
Let's play ball.
我们去打球吧。
Let's play ball.
Let's play ball.
Let's play frisbee.
Let's play frisbee.
我们去玩飞盘吧。
Let's play frisbee.
Let's play frisbee.
Let's fly a kite.
Let's fly a kite.
我们去放风筝吧。
Let's fly a kite.
Let's fly a kite.
Let's have a picnic.
Let's have a picnic.
我们去野餐吧。
Let's have a picnic.
Let's have a picnic.
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
你想要一些水吗？
Do you want some water?
Do you want some water?
Do you want some fruit?
Do you want some fruit?
你想要一些水果吗？
Do you want some fruit?
Do you want some fruit?
Do you want a sandwich?
Do you want a sandwich?
你想要一个三明治吗？
Do you want a sandwich?
Do you want a sandwich?
Let's take some photos.
Let's take some photos.
我们去拍些照片吧。
Let's take some photos.
Let's take some photos.
Can you take a photo for me?
Can you take a photo for me?
你能帮我拍张照片吗？
Can you take a photo for me?
Can you take a photo for me?
Do you want to feed the birds?
Do you want to feed the birds?
你想喂鸟吗？
Do you want to feed the birds?
Do you want to feed the birds?
The lake is very clean.
The lake is very clean.
湖水非常清澈。
The lake is very clean.
The lake is very clean.
The ducks are swimming.
The ducks are swimming.
鸭子在游泳。
The ducks are swimming.
The ducks are swimming.
The kids are playing.
The kids are playing.
孩子们在玩耍。
The kids are playing.
The kids are playing.
The playground is fun.
The playground is fun.
游乐场很有趣。
The playground is fun.
The playground is fun.
Please watch your step.
Please watch your step.
请注意脚下。
Please watch your step.
Please watch your step.
Please keep off the grass.
Please keep off the grass.
请勿践踏草坪。
Please keep off the grass.
Please keep off the grass.
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the exit?
Where is the exit?
出口在哪里？
Where is the exit?
Where is the exit?
Where is the playground?
Where is the playground?
游乐场在哪里？
Where is the playground?
Where is the playground?
Where is the fountain?
Where is the fountain?
喷泉在哪里？
Where is the fountain?
Where is the fountain?
Where is the picnic area?
Where is the picnic area?
野餐区在哪里？
Where is the picnic area?
Where is the picnic area?
Where can I rent a bike?
Where can I rent a bike?
我可以在哪里租自行车？
Where can I rent a bike?
Where can I rent a bike?
Where can I buy water?
Where can I buy water?
我可以在哪里买水？
Where can I buy water?
Where can I buy water?
Can I bring my dog here?
Can I bring my dog here?
我可以带狗来这里吗？
Can I bring my dog here?
Can I bring my dog here?
Can I have a map of the park?
Can I have a map of the park?
我可以要一张公园的地图吗？
Can I have a map of the park?
Can I have a map of the park?
What time does the park close?
What time does the park close?
公园几点关门？
What time does the park close?
What time does the park close?
Thank you for the information.
Thank you for the information.
谢谢你的信息。
Thank you for the information.
Thank you for the information.
I had a great time today.
I had a great time today.
我今天玩得很开心。
I had a great time today.
I had a great time today.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。